Hello, welcome back guys to Spotarya channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change language in Yandex on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Yandex browser applications, and after, as you can see here, I use an English for my language in Yandex application. So guys, if you want to change it, simply just tap on this icon which is your profile at the top right in the corner of your screen. After, go ahead to the settings options, and then in this settings page we'll go ahead to this general options, tap on it, and we'll find out here the interface language. Just tap on it. Here I use an English. So if you want to change it, you just have to choose this language that provided by Yandex browser, yeah guys. For example, here I'm gonna change it to Bahasa Indonesia. I'm gonna tap on it. Now tap on this sub button. And yeah, as you can see, it will be go back to this home page, and the language on this application is already changed to Bahasa Indonesia, yeah guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.